morning nosy people, me have a spoon for pick with one on. One on I come request get ready with me. Pan top I me get up out of my bed, well, mums wake me up out of my nice looking nap. And come for find me see that big old zit there on my face. Then she come a zoom in, and then pan top I look how she dressed me like Freddy. Me now leave the house and look like this. Me have a big play date with this girl named Lily, and me now go look like Titus and a Papi show mixed together. What kind of full dressing this is, By the way, for those of you who don't know me are the original Jamaican boss baby, Royce. Hey, mums, me can use some of that nice sweet smelling ear oil there when me see you put in your wig them. It smell really nice. I like how it make your wig them look glassy. Maybe you can't do that for me look ear become. It's like a patch there right there, so. Me no know where it come from, but me need to fill up that patch there because me no want Lily come look for me as no little man when I have no ear, cause ear important. And then by the way, mums, please remember please change my clothes. Me now leave the